How's it going, everybody? You're watching What Breaks MX. If you haven't seen the last video, please go watch it, like it, share it. I got a YZ85 behind me, and in today's video, what we're going to be doing is degrading the pros and cons of this bike. This bike is the YZ85 2008 model. I don't know if it's the big wheel. Pretty sure it's just the standard version. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, to start off this list, we have the front and rear hydraulic brakes. These things are insane. The sheer amount of stopping power is just crazy to me. I enjoy them. Alright guys, so coming at number 2 for the pros is the plastics. They look very mean and aggressive, and Yamaha did a great job of making them look that way on purpose. Unfortunately, the side plastics are not the right ones for this bike. Alright guys, so coming at pro number 3 is the suspension. The rear gas shocks and the front inverted forks are just an amazing combo. And not to mention, you can adjust them for your rider height and set the sag for your bike. Alright guys, so number 4 we have the Kawasaki carburetor. This thing literally looks futuristic when you're looking at it. This thing is such an upgrade from the old Kawasaki carburetor on my XR. This thing just increases the power by so much, it's incredible. Alright guys, so we made it all the way to number 5 for the pros. For this one, it's going to have to be the design and the power of the engine. The fact that it's a 2-stroke already makes it so it's powerful, but that it doesn't have fins make it look like a real race bike, which it is. Alright guys, so there you have the pros of the YZ85. These were all in my opinion. I don't know, it could be other people's opinions. It just depends on me, I guess, is what I think of this bike. Just the condition that it's in. It isn't in bad condition, it just, some things are minor issues and things like that. Before we get into the cons, I need you guys to go quickly subscribe, like the video, comment down what to do next, and more videos. Now that I have this YZ85, this thing is gonna rip. I just gotta get some riding time after I get my GoPro returned. Alrighty guys, so coming at number 1 for the cons is the position of this rear brake pedal. It might have just been crashed and then bent in, but either way, I just don't like it. Alright guys, so for cons number 2, we have the combustion chamber on the pipe. This thing, if it just falls, might just get dented and then corrupt the performance of the bike overall. Alrighty guys, so for cons number 3, we have the foot pegs. Even though they are stock, they need to be replaced. They just don't have a lot of grip as of right now. They just need to be replaced. Alright guys, so for cons number 4, we have the placement of the gas tank. I don't like how it's not on both sides and that there's not a plastic on the side of it to protect it. Alright guys, so finally for cons number 5, we have the place of the idle adjustment screw on the carburetor. I just don't like the way that it's placed. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video of the pros and cons of my 2008 YZ85. Like I said, comment down below, subscribe, just show support, I guess. I don't know, it's been kind of dead, but yeah guys, stay tuned for the next video for more ripping on the YZ85, and I'll catch you next time.